So in this video I'm going to show you how to add color and texture to your 3D object in Unity. So first I'm having empty Unity project over here. Now just right click over here and go to 3D object and select the necessary object, or you can import from any other 3D animation software. I'm going to just import a sphere to show you as a demo. So I have just a plain sphere. It has some black in color, but actually it doesn't have any color. So now to add color and texture to it, you need to just go here and click right click. So right click in the asset over here, not in the asset, in this bar, asset bar over here. So you'll get a bunch of options. You're going to go to create and material. Okay. So it's not physics material or physics studio, it's just plain material. And you will get a material like this. You can even rename and or paste in some other folder, do bunch of options. So this material is going to hold all the surface and appearance properties of the sphere. So even it's going to be any other than a sphere, cube, because this is the process. So just now what I will do is just select this material and select this new material and just drop it over the sphere. That's it. So now if you just double click at the sphere, new material, and just select this color over here, and if you just change the color, and you can see the color of the sphere is changing. And you must be careful over here because this outer color does only change the inner one, and it gives a bunch of options, and only the inner one selects the main color that's to be added. So you can see how it's changing. So select the preferred color. I will select somewhat yellowish color. So okay, if you add some light to it, it will look even more bright. I'm not adding light, so it looks dull. So now we have done with the color. You can add like this multiple number of colors, and you can even change the smoothness. Okay, smoothness is over here, metallic is over here, and bunch of options is also down there. So now in order to add a texture, so for me texture mainly is done with like patterns, I would say. So how to add a pattern? That's the main surface texture, I would say. So in order to add a surface texture, there's no necessary unnecessary. You don't need to do in a 3D animation software. You can just fix that by using a image. So what I'm going to do is just going. It's like a printed paint. They would call printed paint, and you're just going to apply the printed paint over the surface. So currently I'm having a pattern over here. So this is the pattern that I have, and this pattern is going to get fixed or pasted on that sphere over there. So to get this pattern, just go to Google and type pattern in Google Images. You'll get thousands of pics. Just select one and download it. And after downloading it, this is the pattern. Just drag that pattern inside the assets folder. And after downloading it, just take that pattern and go here, albedo. Just paste it. So now you can see that the texture as the surface has been changed completely, and the pattern has been embedded to it. So this is by these two ways we can do this, and you can even change the color, and so it looks much brighter over here pattern. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I've done many other Unity tutorials. Kindly check in my playlist. Thanks for watching.